What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's case unboxing time, and today we have the 2020 Hot Wheels P case. I got this case from granittoys.com, so if you want to get your own Hot Wheels cases, check out granittoys.com. I'll link them in the description box below. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the Chevy Silverado, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Pagani Huayra Roadster. Let's hope we get one of those in this case. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. And we'll start it off right up top right here. Let's grab down our first set of castings, and the first one that we see is the Skyboat, a new color variation of that. And then we have a brand new casting. It's the Flintstones Flintmobile, a very interesting new casting to Hot Wheels. And then it looks like we've got the treasure hunt. It is the treasure hunt. There is the logo just right on the back right there, and it's the Chevy Silverado treasure hunt. So that's very cool that we got one of those right away. We'll throw that aside, and we'll move right up top right here in our next three cars. We've got the McLaren P1, very cool looking. That's that new gray color. The Aston Martin 177 in red, and we've got the Croc Rock. All right, we'll put those aside. And our next set of cars, we've got a new color variation of Aisle Driver right there. That's an interesting new color variation of that. And there's the 1996 Chevy Impala SS, the black one we saw in the previous case. And let's get up top right here. What is this one right here? We've got I Believe. That looks to be a new color variation of the I Believe Fantasy casting. And all right, we've got some up here as well. We've got the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in yellow. We did see that in the previous case, and that is a super treasure hunt in the previous case as well. We've got the 1991 GMC Cyclone in red, and there is the mainline variation of the new 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. This one does come in a super treasure hunt, so hopefully we get that one in this case. Let's get continuing here. All right, our next set of cars, we've got the Radical Racer. Then we've got another one of the Croc Rods, and we've got a new color variation of the Grand Cross, and that looks to be like a grayish color with the Hot Wheels logo on the side of it and some black and white wheels. All right, we'll put those aside, and it looks to be like we've got a new color variation of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and that's an interesting new, kind of like an army-ish look to it. It's got the motorbikes in the back of it as well, and there's a Muscle Bound. It looks to be a new color variation of Muscle Bound as well, and there's that 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel we saw in the previous case. All right, let's see what we got here. There's the Koenigsegg Jesko, 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. It's not new to this case. We did see it in the previous case, but still nonetheless great to have another one of those. We've got the Roller Toaster right there. Looks to be a new color variation of that. And here's a brand new color of the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. This time it's released in red. We recently saw released in gray, white, and now we've got the red colored variation, which I think it looks really, really good in that new red color. All right, what else do we have down here? It looks to be we've got the Honda S2000 in green. We've got a brand new color variation of the 1996 Honda Prelude in blue, a very, very nice looking glossy blue color for it. And then we've got a brand new casting. It's the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. We did see this one release in a premium variation on a Hot Wheels Fast and Furious set recently, but now we've got a mainline variation. This is like a kind of a light gold color to it. Very, very cool looking. Great detail though, I like that. I can't wait to open this one up. We'll open that one up on our next video. We've got the 2010 Toyota Tundra in white. We've got the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510, the Momo edition in black. And we've got the custom 2011 Chevrolet Camaro right there, the fire truck edition. All right. More cars down here. We've got, let's kind of move that box right there. There we go. We've got the 1996 Chevy Impala SS. We've got the 57 Plymouth Fury, new color variation, and a brand new casting. It's the Porsche 914 Safari Edition in yellow. And check out all the cool details and stuff that it's got on the back of it. It's got a push bar and stuff on the front of it. It's like a raised up suspension for off-roading. Very, very cool from the Nightburner series. We'll have to open that one up on our next video. All right, let's see what we have down now. We've got another one of the McLaren P1 recolors in gray. We've got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT in black. And we've got the Quick Bite Ice Cream Edition right there. Got a couple of bent cards in here. That does happen from time to time, but that's okay, no problem. I'm gonna open most of these up anyways. We got the 69 Dodge Charger 500 from the Flames series. We've got a Jaguar XE SV Project 8, new color variation of that one. And we've got the Batcopter. There we go, looks like a new color variation of that Batcopter. We'll put those aside and on to our next half of the case right down here, our lower half. Let's pull that piece right out, get that out of the way. And what do we have up top here for our first three cars? We've got another one of the Koenigsegg Jescos, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesco. Can never get enough of those. And there's another one of the Aston Martin 177s. And we've got a new Olympic edition car. It's the Toyota 2000 GT, this time in white. Very, very cool, and it is from the karate of the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Edition cars, which a lot of people are wondering if these are ever going to be collectible or not, just because, well, obviously the Olympics was postponed, but I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. I might collect some of them. I don't know. I don't think they're going to go up in value too much, though, to be honest. And we've got next up the Night Dragon. That looks to be a new color variation of Night Dragon. Then we've got the Nissan Silvia S13. Very, very cool looking color variation of that. I'm not sure if this is a new casting or if it's just a recolor. I can't quite remember. You guys can comment down below, but it looks really, really neat. And then we've got a new color variation, a Fast and Furious edition of the 70 Chevelle SS, a very glossy red color of this one. Very, very cool looking. I like that one. Can't wait to open that one up as well. All right, our next three cars up here, we've got another one of the Night Dragons. We've got the Skull Shaker right there. It's kind of a flat finish paint job on there, but pretty neat looking. We've got the Radical Racer right there, and that looks to be a new color variation of the Radical Racer as well. Very, very nice. I'm not sure what this symbol means on it. Maybe you guys know exactly what that means. And this is from the Street Beast edition. All right, we'll put that one aside right there. And then we've got our next three cars up here. We've got the hologram right there, and check out the artwork and stuff on there. It looks fantastic. Very, very cool. We've got a new casting. It's the Mazda RX-3, the Greddy exhaust edition on there. Big wide body on it. Nice blacked out wheels. Look at the front kind of lip on there. Very, very nice looking car. Can't wait to open that one up. We will. And we've got the Runway Rescue as our next car up right here from the Hot Wheels Metro series. Good detail on the side of the Hot Wheels Airlines Runway Marshal. Pretty cool looking car. All right, we'll put those aside. And then we've got the Velocita. This one's the Tokyo 2020 Olympic edition, and it looks to be the swimming one from that one. Then we've got El Viento down there, new color variation of El Viento. And there's another one of the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demons in this new yellow color with the graphics on the side. I really, really like the color variation of that one. Can't wait to open more of those ones up. All right, we've got some more cars down here. We've got a McLaren Senna, the white McLaren Senna. Very, very cool looking one. We did see that one in the previous case. The Cruise Bruiser right there. It looks to be a new color variation. Lots of cool graphics and stuff. That's obviously an art car right there. It is indeed. And then the last one on this row is a Chevy Camaro, the 1967 Chevy Camaro Flamed Out edition. Look at all the cool flames and graphics and stuff on the side of it. Very, very neat looking one. I love all those old Camaros. Nice ones to collect. And we've got another one of those Porsche 914 Safaris right there. Awesome. I'm getting a second one of those. 68 Shelby GT500 Flamed Out edition. And we've got the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible. We did see this one on our previous case, but nice to have another one of those ones as well. All right, we've got a few more cars down here, another couple rows. We've got the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510, the Momo edition, Jaguar XE SV Project 8, and a Quick Bite Ice Cream edition. All right. And next down here, we've got the High Beam. This is another Olympic car, and this one is from Artistic Gymnastics. It does say just right on the side of it there. There's another one of the Corvette 01 convertibles and another 1991 GMC Cyclone in the new red colored edition. All right, and we've got some more down here. Ooh, it looks like a new color variation of the Erkenstein rod. I really like this casting when it came out this year. Very, very cool looking. I like that. I like to see a new color of that one, so that's good. We'll open that one up for sure soon. And we got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. There's that black color again. And there's another one of the 1999, Ford F-150 SVT Lightnings. All right. And we're dropping cars beside me. That's okay, you guys didn't see it, but there's cars that did drop on the floor, unfortunately. Roller Toaster, there's a new color variation of that. Another McLaren Speedtail, we saw this one in the previous case, and that's followed by a McLaren Senna in that white color. Awesome, love to have more of those ones for sure. And our last three cars down here, we've got the 67 Chevy Camaro right there, flamed out edition, and two Duck and Rolls. All right, let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite car from this case. We'll open a lot of these up on our next video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.